Hello, 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 everybody. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do exponential application problems. Before we even get started, pause the video now and copy this down. Welcome back. As you can see, I have keywords that will indicate whether the word problem is exponential growth. And that's increase, appreciate, grows. Whenever you see words like that, you're going to use this equation right here. And then anytime you see words like decrease, depreciate, lose, that's when you use that equation right there. The A represents the amount, R is the rate that you have to change to a decimal because it's given to you as a percent, and X represents time. But before we start, let's go over how to change percentages to decimals. Every percent has a decimal at the end. So what you have to do is move it to the left 2 times. So as you can see, when I move it to the left 2 times with the 5%, I have space right here, so I'm going to put a 0. So 5% is 0.05 as a decimal. All right, let's look at 15%. There's a decimal at the end. If I move it to the left 2 times, it becomes 0.15. And then as you can see, the 0.3%, if I move that decimal to the left 2 times, I do have space in front of that 0. So I'll put a 0 right there, which will turn to 0.003. And then in that last example, if I move that decimal to the left 2 times, I will have 2 spaces, so therefore I'll put 2 zeros in front, which will turn to 0.0025. All right, let's look at our first word problem. It says a bank account, B, for an account starting with S dollars, earning an annual interest rate, R, and left untouched for N years, can be calculated as B equals S times 1 plus R to the power of N. And they are telling us it's an exponential growth. All right, they want us to find a bank account balance to the nearest dollar if the account starts with $100, has an annual rate of 4%, and the money left in the account for 12 years. All right, let's gather the information that they told us here. They said that we're starting with 100. So that is going to be my initial value. For this formula right here, that's going to represent S. And this 4% is my rate. And I'm going to go ahead and change it to a decimal. Remember, you move that decimal to the left 2 times, so that's going to equal 0.04. And then my time is 12 years. So in that exponent, well, they said N, so I'll just use N instead of X. That's going to represent my 12. So the way I'll plug it in is that it will say B equals 100 times 1 plus 0.04 to the power of 12. When I type all of that in the calculator, I get 160.10. So therefore my answer is $160.10 after 12 years. And that's